How to fix a lag in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can help you fix majority of minor issues on your iPhone. Next fix is to clear out background apps and Safari tabs. So, too many apps or Safari tabs equals to memory load, which means swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close all the unused apps, and in Safari, open Safari, tap on the tabs option from the bottom right of your screen and close all the tabs. Next, turn off unused background processes. So launch the Settings application and tap on General and then on Background App Refresh, and then tap on Background App Refresh again and then tap on the Off option. Also, disable motion and animations. Go to Settings and then on Accessibility and then tap on Motion option you see there and then tap on the Reduced Motion option and set it to On. Also, make sure you have enough iPhone storage. So in Settings again, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, delete unused apps, old videos, and giant meme folders. Make sure to keep at least 5 to 10 GB free for smooth performance. Next, check for iOS updates in your software update settings. So, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update, and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial in maintaining optimal performance. Also, in General itself, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. So this is how you can fix lag in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.